Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports automated wallpaper changes and give required permissions. Once done, create a dedicated album or folder with correctly sized lock screen images so proportions stay intact. Next, open the Shortcuts or Automation tool and choose a personal automation trigger like time of day or charging. Make sure to select the album you prepared. This ensures the automation picks only suitable images. This avoids mismatches and keeps the lock screen visually. Now you assemble the rule that swaps the lock screen. Start by choosing a trigger, time, charging, or location, and set how often it runs. Then add an action to fetch photos from your album. Select random or sequential ordering depending on the mood you want. After that, add the system action to set the wallpaper only for the lock screen so the home screen remains unchanged. Once assembled, run the automation manually to verify image orientation and timing works correctly. Finish by enabling the automation and observing a few cycles to confirm reliability. If it fails, make sure Shortcuts or the automation app has permission to access photos and to run in background. Also disable low power and restrictive focus modes that pause automations. If images appear cropped, resize or recrop them to the recommended lock screen dimensions and retest. Finally, rerun the automation step by step to spot any failing action. Then correct that single step so the whole process runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.